Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Yamaha R1. This superbike just arrived with only 574 miles on the odometer. A tour de force of technology. This leader bike is in fantastic showroom condition, matte gray in color. It's equipped with an awesome sounding Yoshimura Alpha carbon fiber exhaust system. Come by, make your superbike dreams come true for just $11,999. This bike is probably priced too low. It is not gonna last. Come by before she goes. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.